Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 12 of Python tutorials for kids playlist. In this video we'll be learning about turtle graphics in Python. So if you have not watched my previous video, go and watch it. In the previous video we learned about modules and pips in Python. So if you have not visited the Python tutorials for kids playlist, go and visit it. So without wasting time, let's start. So let us start our video. I'll quickly open my Python IDE, and my Python IDE has opened. So I'll quickly create a new file using Control and shortcut key, and I will import turtle. So there is a full documentation about turtle in docs, Python docs. So you can go and read the Python docs website. So these are some functions we are going to use in this video: turtle.heading, turtle.write, and many other functions. So now let us get into our video, and I will open the modules code that we used in the previous video. So I'll save the document from the module. I'll save this as V12 turtle graphics, and if I run the module I get a turtle here. So this is the code we used in previous video. So there are many other functions in turtle graphics too, such as turtle that is t.right 90 degree. So it will not move right, but it will rotate at the angle of 90 degree. So now the turtle has been rotated. So now let us create a square. So to create a square, so here we created a side in the square. Let us create a full square. And now if you run the module, first let me save the document, and if you run the module we get a square. So here in these two lines we created the side of the square, and as the square contains 4 sides, we have copied and pasted the code 4 times. So now we got a square here, as you can see. So there is the default title of this window is Python Turtle Graphics. So if you want to change the title, you have to use turtle.title, and you can add a title name such as CodeWithNiranjan, and if I run the module, now the name changes to CodeWithNiranjan. But there is a problem here. The name changes after the square finishes. So in that case you can cut the code and paste it at the starting, so that the name comes at starting itself, as you can see now. So now let us create a circle. So to create a circle you have to use circle function, circle, and you can write the radius you want, such as 90. So now the turtle graphics creates a circle for us. So if you don't want a square, you can just comment it, and if you run the module I get square only. So you can also change the background color of the window such using turtle.bg color, and you can use some color name such as red. So now our window's background color changes to red, but the background color changes to red after the circle finishes. So in that case you can add this code again to the front, and now our background color changes to red. So if you want to add custom color, you can open your color picker, and you can use the hashtag, that is hex code, and you can paste it here. And if you run the module now, background changes to the color we used here. So this is how you can change the background and can create some shapes using Python. So you can also change the shape of the character that in title graphic. So you have to use t dot shape. So here using or anything shape, and you can add the shape we want. So I'll use square here. There is no shape name in the square, so I made a mistake here. And now click on the module. Our character changes the shape to the square. So again, if you want to use this command at starting, you have to use this. You have to put this command at starting itself. And now our turtle changes to square. So you can also use circle or any other shapes. Now we get circle and triangle. So it changes to triangle and arrow. Now this changes to arrow, as you can see here. So you can also use the turtle module, which changes the shapes to turtle, as you can see here. And you can also change the color of this, the dot color red. Now the color changes to red. So this is how you can use turtle module in Python. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then share to friends and don't forget to subscribe Code with Niranjan too. I'll see you in next video. Until then, bye bye.